I'm Andrew from Beijing Anchorfree company. I'm very happy to introduce our Erbium fractional laser 1550nm to you. First, let me introduce this machine. This machine consists of different parts. You can see this is the host machine, and the cover is made of the injection mold. This is the tablet. You can use the finger to touch the screen to operate the machine, or you can use a pen here to control the machine. And this tablet can be moved from the stand. Okay. The second part you can see is the arm tubes with the applicator. And here there are totally 3 tips. You can change the tips according to the treatment area, the size of treatment area. This one is the big one, big size. The middle one and the small one. Okay. Another part is this part. There are the emergency switch, the key switch. Okay. The last part is the full switch. You can use the full switch to control the treatment. Okay. Basically, the hardware of this machine is like this. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, now let's introduce how to operate the machine. Now we turn on the machine. First, you need to turn on the host machine by the key switch. Then you press the power button here and turn on the tablet. You need to hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. Then you can see the screen, tablet screen is on. Now the system is running. Now is the loading display. We need to wait around 20 to 30 seconds. It will finish the self-checking process. Okay. Now we come to the password area. We just select OK. This is the main menu display. There are different functions you can select here. Light here, light layer, middle layer, deep layer, and the fusion layer. Fusion layer means the combination of middle and the deep layers together. Okay, now let's select any one of them. For example, tip. Now there's a warning shows here in the screen and ask you to wear a Google before do the treatment. Select OK. Okay, now we come into the main display of the treatment. You can select different layers, light, middle, deep, fusion here. And also, this area you can select different patterns. This is the round, the angle, the square, like that. The another function for this machine is we call it DIY. What is DIY? Because for some patterns, you can draw a pattern according to the size of the size and the pattern of the treatment area. For example, for some area, I don't want to treat it, so I can just draw a picture to avoid to treat some healthy area. if I treat it like this, I said okay, then you can treat just that pattern area. Another function is the pattern here. For example, if I choose the ankle, you can change the size from 1 to 6. 6 is the maximum size. And also this area for the percentage, it means you can adjust the density of the pencil, the dots. This is from 5% to 100%. You can change the energy here. Okay. The zoom, this is especially used for the DIY because you can zoom in and zoom out the size for the DIY pattern. Okay. And this area for the random, you can turn off or turn on the random function. Okay. Below that is the repetition. You can turn off or turn on. If you turn on the repetition, you can do the treatment continuously. Okay. This area is the in this area you can adjust the energy of the different layers. For example, if I choose the fusion, okay, rain and the cold. Rain means that you can adjust the energy here for the middle layer. I can change the energy, and also I can adjust the energy for the deep layer. Okay, you can control the energy separately. This is very meaningful. Okay, like this. Okay, let's do a demonstration to how to make the pictures. Now we select the pattern 3 or 4. Okay, 4, 30, 30, 35. Okay, then make the. Okay, we select the middle. We can only adjust here the rain energy. 31, 32, 34. Okay, now we place the ready button. Okay, now you can see the pattern, the infrared light, the indicator. Okay, we make the picture. We put the photo, press the photo switch. Okay, finished. Now we change it to the deep. Let's see what's the size. You see, deep is only very light energy for the dot because you need to make the energy more higher. Then you can see the dot. Okay, we do it again. Okay, you can see. Now we change it to the fusion mode. It means you can treat the rain and the cold at the same time. We increase the energy for the cold. Okay, make it higher. Full, zoom in. Okay. Repeat. Let's do it again. Now is to the middle layer, then to the deep layer. 2 in one time. Okay. Now let's demonstrate how to use the. If we turn on the random and change it to another shape like this. Okay, random that it will make the dots randomly, not in order. You see? Okay. Last I want to introduce you our DIY function. It's very funny. If I want to just draw a picture and want to treat this area similar like this pattern, press OK. I can make it zoom, make it smaller, increase the energy. Okay. Let's do it. Press the ready. Oh. Okay, do this pattern here. Okay. No, this pattern, I needed to make it more with more density. Okay. Let's ready again. This one. Okay, now you see this pattern will be more similar to the pattern, right? Okay. Now the treatment, the demonstration for the treatment is finished. Now, if I want to turn off the machine, I need to press the home or wire, then turn on the tablet firstly. Okay. After that, you can turn off the host machine.